Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Today's video is the pants of my winter fashion mood board, which is winter with a retro vibe. So I'm talking about Burdastyle November 2018 pattern number 117B. Let's get into the specs. So Burda described it as a slant pocket in the front and welt in the back. It is with a shaped waistband. It features classical tailoring of a suit trouser. It has a more sporty and youthful vibe to it. The sizes run from size 36 up to 44, and for the entire range of sizes, do keep in mind you can make whatever size you want. Don't hold yourself to the 44 as a max, okay? So you need 2 meters, well, 1 meter 95 in total for all those sizes. But do keep in mind that if you want to match the patterns on the fabric, you might need some more. I tried it. I didn't succeed 100%, but I'm happy to the certain percent that I did achieve. I think with the 2 meters, you're gonna be just fine. In terms of the supply, you need one invisible zipper, 22 centimeters. The pattern pieces, or the pattern consists of 12 pattern pieces. 2 you need to draw on your own, and 10 of them is available on the pattern sheet. It's 15 steps to completion. The fabric that I used is a pants fabric, which is this fabric right here, and I think I went in depth about my fabric in my fabric haul, so I'm going to insert the eye right there so you can check that one out. And the only alteration that I did is I inserted an elastic in the waistband so it would cinch more around the waist. So let's see, and what I wanted to say in terms of my hem, so this is 4 centimeters, but I added 2 more when I went to, because I used fusing. So I used this stuff which has glue on both sides. I do not like to hand sew, and that's because my hand sewing isn't the nicest, and I try to avoid it as much as possible. So I'm not giving myself the chance to become better at it. And so I decided to use the fusing in order to hem my pants. I know it might not be durable, and at some point I will attempt to do the whole hand sewing, but I wasn't feeling it at the moment. This pants or slacks is a little wide, so it's not skin tight or anything, but it is definitely just comfortable. The fabric is comfortable. The pockets, these are the slant pockets that they were talking about in the description. This is the welt pocket, which has no purpose whatsoever, but I wanted to try. And I styled it with this white flowy blouse. This shirt is from Mango, and I bought it for $19.99 today. And let me get on the stool. So right now I styled it with some heeled sandals that I have for ages from H&M. And hemming your pants on your own is a task. So it's not completely, it's still a little baggy. I'm still feeling myself. And I don't know, but it looks so nice. It definitely looks nice. Check out the pictures that I'll put on my Instagram. The link is in the description. But as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid. Comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day. Bye.